Bosch washing machine. How to reset. If your Bosch washing machine is not working as it should, resetting it can help fix minor issues and get it running smoothly again. Fortunately, the reset process is quick and easy. Here's how to do it, step by step. Step 1. Locate the reset button. Many Bosch washing machines have a dedicated reset button on the control panel. If your model has one, press and hold it for about 3 seconds. This should clear any temporary errors and restart the system. Step 2. Reset using the button combination. If your Bosch washing machine doesn't have a specific reset button, you can reset it using a combination of other buttons. Try pressing the reset button along with the first 2 buttons on the left side of the control panel at the same time. Hold them for about 2 seconds, then release. This should trigger a system reset. Step 3. Power cycle the machine. If the previous methods don't work, try unplugging the washing machine from the power outlet. Leave it unplugged for about 5 minutes to allow the internal system to reset completely. Then, plug it back in and turn it on to see if the issue is resolved. Step 4. Check for error codes. If your washing machine is displaying an error code, refer to the user manual to understand what the issue might be. Bosch machines have different error codes that indicate specific problems, such as drainage issues or door lock malfunctions. Keeping your user manual handy can save you time when troubleshooting. Step 5. Run a test wash. After resetting your Bosch washing machine, it's a good idea to run a short test cycle without any laundry. This will help confirm that the reset was successful and that the machine is working correctly. When to call a technician. If the reset doesn't fix the issue, there might be a more serious problem with the machine. In this case, it's best to contact a professional technician who can diagnose and repair any hardware malfunctions. Now that you know Bosch washing machine how to reset, you can quickly resolve minor problems and keep your appliance running efficiently.